In this video, I'm gonna show you sometimes maybe when you click the button, the message doesn't appear. Let's fix this. Sometimes when the user click on this button, this message doesn't appear here. We can fix this issue with two things. The first one, at the emulator, let's go to the setting of our emulator or AVD Android virtual device, go to the app, and here you have to turn on the notification of your application. And here I turned on my notification. When I click the button, the notification is appear. This one reason. And another reason, you have to go to the manifest folder, and here you have to make sure yourself that you add permission. If you don't add this permission, your message or notification doesn't work.